Happy New Year, guys! I missed those 2 years because I was in Singapore. And Happy New Year. And I'm sorry I didn't create a video in the Happy New Year. And here, the fireworks only happen in Marina. If you don't know, that's a famous place in Singapore, even access from a MRT. I didn't get much enjoyment in just eating. I didn't see, I just heard the fireworks. For those in the Philippines, America, Happy New Year. I miss this. Bye-bye.